What is the right time to do everything? Who are the important person in our life? And what is the important work to do? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English with Shatrughan. And today I am going to tell you a story that was written by Leo Thirsty. Leo Thirsty. The story name is Three Questions. So the story started few years ago. There was a king lived in a big kingdom. One day, one question occurred in her mind, his mind. He thought he what was the mo what is the right time to do everything? What was the right time to do everything? What who were the people I am focused and were the people I am not focused in? And which business I do that helped me. He unofficially and officially announced on her kingdom everywhere, and lots of people came here to give advice, like her ministers, his ministers, and lots of wise men came here to give advice. Some people say the give the first question answer ki you made a plan, you made a routine and follow strictly, that may be help you. And some said ki you hired a magician and you follow him. And some said ki you hired a astrologer, they can predict and tell you the right time. But and others said ki this is not possible because sometime time is not predictable. The first question answer some give. The second question answer some give ki the most important person in our life. Some said ki doctors are very important in our life. Some said ki scientists are very important in our life. Some people some people give advice ki warriors are very important in our life. And some said ki the priest, the religious people are very important in our life. The second question answer give. And the third question answer give ki what is the good business and which work is very important in my life. The answer said ki some said ki you worship to God, it is very important in our life. To help others, it is very important in our life. And other different people give different answer. But the king was not agreed with none of them. King not agreed with anyone. He still not he still confused, and he thought I meet a hermit. Hermit means a wise man who and a religious person who stay alone in a jungle or anywhere. He thought ki he meet a hermit and he went to jungle. He went to jungle and he told her ministers, her soldiers ki I want to go alone. I wanted to go alone because the he don't wanted to present like a king. He wanted to present himself like a normal people. So the hermit not hesitant to tell the answer. So he went to the hermit and he meet. When he came to hermit, the hermit was digging ground, maybe making for vegetables or anything. He digging ground. The king was came to him and said, hey wise man, I have some question that I am very confused and I want to know the answer of those questions. The hermit said nothing. The king was asked what was the right time to do everything and who were the most important people, and what and what is the right thing to do in my life. The hermit replied nothing. Then he started dogging After some time, the king also wanted like the king also said ki, hey wise man, maybe you are weak, so you are tired, so I am doing your work. And the king was digging ground. 1 hour passed, 2 hour passed, but the day was passed like the evening time. evening time the hermit said ki, this is the evening, this time is going on evening, so you stop digging. But the king was not listen to hermit, and he started digging. That suddenly a weird man came in the night, you can say in the night. As the day passed, and in the night, suddenly a beard man appeared and came to the hermit house. Hermit, you can say hermit house. And the man was wounded, means he is injured her wound in the stomach. So, and when he arrived on the hermit house, he fell down on the ground. The king was left, like the king was the king was like the king was like the king, what call here, the king was left, the king was sorry guys, the king was dressed him and clean her stomach and fasted, you can say fasted to him. And they both are slept because the king also tired and hermit also tired. And when they wake up after one day in the morning, the injury man, the beard man, he curiously, or he saw king and in a different looks, and said to the king, I am so sorry king, forgive me. I am so sorry king, forgive me. The king was shocked, and the king was said, I don't know you, why you are feeling sorry, and why you are said forgive me. Then the beard man replied, you don't know, but I know you. Then he told to king, sir, I am your enemy, because you 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 were punished my brother few months ago. So I decided to kill you, because I had information ki you are went to meet hermit alone without your soldiers. So I thought ki I will wait you in the middle of the way and I will kill you, he thought. But you didn't come at the evening, so I thought ki I search on you on this hermit house. But when I came to the hermit house, your soldiers were saw me, and they chasing me, and the knife what I kept in my pocket, that cut my stomach, that cut my belly. So I was injured. But you are the honest, you are the kind king, you saved my life. So that is the reason. And right now you give me a new life. So right now whatever life I will live like your slaves, I will serve like a servant. Then the king understood, and king was the king was said, okay, no problem, I forgive you, and I will also return your brother property. Okay. And the beard man go with that king. Then the king was thought ki last time I try to convince the hermit, and I ask question. He went to hermit. He went hermit nearer to hermit and asked, "Sir, I came here to know my three answer. Please tell me the answer." Then the hermit said, "You already answered. You already answered those questions." The king was shocked and tell, "When and how? I don't know anything." Then the hermit said, "When you are working with me, when you are digging ground with me, that is the right time. When you are digging with me, you are not, then you see my weakness, then you see my physical, I'm not good. You started working with me, and you have patience. You have maintaining your patience. You work with me, and you are not going your home. You are going at the evening at your home. Then definitely he was attacked you, and maybe he injured you, but you are never go. And because of you are didn't go, he was not killed, and you saved your life. So the first question answer is the right time is now. The right time is now. And the second question answer is who are the right people right now with you are. They are the most important people for you. And the last question answer is which business you are doing, what is the good thing to do. That thing is right now what are you doing, that is your that is your business, that is your work to do right the work. He explained like this. Then the king understood, oh, this is the answer. Okay. And what we learn from this story, this is the old story I read from my books, college books. So what we learn from this story, because we are learning English these days, but we thought ki this is not right time to talk about the video call. This is not right time to create YouTube channel. I'm not good at English, I'm not start speaking. We have self doubt, but but we we are not thinking so much. We are make, then this is the right time to do everything. And right now what are you doing, this is the most important thing in your life. You live with your present, that is most important thing, that is the most important moment for you. So what we are applying our life. So in these days we apply in our life, this is the right time to do everything, and this is the right time to do everything. And the second question answer is what was the second question? The second question is who are the good people. And right now you are my audience, so this is my responsibility to key. I will provide you some knowledge, I will give you example, I will explain you good way. You are the most important right now. You are the most important people in my life, and right now I'm making videos. So this is my right thing, this is my business, this is my work to do. This is my business, this is my work, this is the best work. So this was a story. Maybe this video is take so long. If you are still now, so you are very patient, and you are the great audience of the day. You have great patience, and you will achieve big thing in your life. So keep learning, keep going, keep supporting my channel. I will meet in the next video. Bye bye.